Today you are actually going to do your paper sculpture. So you're going to need some more paper and you're going to need some glue and some scissors. So in order to actually make your paper sculpture, you have to not only be able to make three-dimensional forms, but you have to attach those forms to each other and to a base paper. So I'm going to show you what I mean. So I'm going to take my paper and first I'm going to make a fold, a little notch. And then I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut the paper up until that fold. And then I'll take those little tabs that I made and I'm going to put some glue on them. And then I will glue this paper to the paper base. This is one way you can attach sheets of paper to each other, or you can attach the forms that you made to the paper base or to each other. So let me give you another example of what I mean. I have this paper cylinder that I made, and what I'm going to do is basically the same thing. I'm going to cut little slits in the paper, and I'm going to make little tabs for me to attach this to the paper base. I will fold those tabs out and then I will put glue on them and I will stick it to the paper base. Now I want to make sure that you do use the forms, but you can also use a strip of paper and make kind of a bridge in between those forms as well. So let me show you here. So I folded the ends and then I'll put glue on both of those ends and then I will attach them somewhere along the paper base. Make sure you do hold down the pieces of paper long enough for them to stick. Okay, so now I'm just going to go ahead and finish up making my paper sculpture. I'm going to take all the forms that I've already made and I'm going to stick them on the paper and attach them in an interesting way. Remember to use a bunch of different three-dimensional forms and try and fill up that entire sheet of paper. So this is my finished paper sculpture. I've made sure that everything is glued nicely and I'm pretty happy with how it looks. However, I can always add a few more different things if I want to. And if you're interested, you can always add some of the origami that you made too. That's also something that you can stick on there. Have fun and do your best.